Hey guys, so today we're going to be installing Posi-Track on my lunchbox here. We're going to do that by locking the differential. You might be wondering,
hey, how exactly is a rainbow made? How exactly does the sun set? How exactly does a Posi-Track rear end on a Plymouth work? It just does.
hey guys, this witness is clearly hostile. Can we get an expert to explain?
What is Posi-Traction?
It's a limited slip differential which distributes power equally to both the right and left tires.
I'm going to be using a Diff Locker from Ampro Engineering to lock the differential. So this open diff
One tire spins, the other tire does nothing.
is going to go bye-bye. In order to get to the differential, I'm going to have to remove the tires, shocks, as well as remove the front of the differential from the hangers and the third shock. Well, let's get to it. And we can set the chassis aside. Now I just need to remove this hanger, and then we can finish tearing down the differential. Alright, we've got everything removed, and we're down to the bare differential. Now we just got to tear this apart. I really wish this locker was made out of aluminum, but all I could find was a 3D printed version. Now that I have it apart, you can take a look in there. It actually is looking pretty bad, so I'm going to need to clean out the differential as well. A little bit of YouTube magic. So now that it's all clean, we'll go ahead and install the locker. These gears out. Don't forget, there's a spacer on this side. We'll just slide these out. They are no longer needed. I guess sometimes with 3D printing there is dust that gets stuck in some of the crevices. I've already cleaned that out. So now that we have the locking gears on the drive shafts, now we just need to pop the gears out of the differential. So the way this works, or at least from what I can tell, so that one side locks, and then we slide this side. All right. It's all pressed together. Alright, now we have it back in the differential and we can put it back together. Posi-Track. Thanks for watching. Until next time.